Yeah, good morning, students. Today is your second class. In this class, we will discuss the slide views, types of views. Okay. So, firstly, we will discuss the slide view. Slide view presentation can be viewed in a variety of manners. On the View tab, the presentation views groups allow you to view the slides as normal, slide sorter, note page, slide show, slide master, handout master, and note masters. Then the managing slides and presentation. PowerPoint has five primary views. Overall, five primary views. First one is a normal view. Second one is slide sorter view, notes page view. Fourth one is slideshow view, and fifth one is reading view. Overall, five views are here. Then the first one is a normal view. This is the default view where you create and edit your slides. You can also move slides in the slide tab in the pane on the left. In slide view, normal view basically it is the main editing view which is used to write and design the presentation. In normal view you can add text, graphics, sound, animation and other effects. Other effects to your slides as well. You can also have a large view of an individual slide, notes pane at the bottom and outline of the slide text, outline tab and slide display as thumbnail, slide tab all the same times. To open this view, select the view tab and click on the normal button or click on the normal view icon on the status bar. Second one is slide sorter view. In this view, miniature slides are arranged on the screen. You can drag and drop slides to easily record them and see more slides at one time. This is a good view to use to confirm that you have all the needed slides and that none have been deleted. Okay, select Select this view tab and click on the slide sorter button. You will see all the slides of your presentation and thick border around the selected slide. Next one is reading view. This view full most of the computer screen with a preview of your presentation. When you see the preview of your presentation, then select the reading view. Unlike slideshow view, it includes easily accessible buttons for navigation located at the bottom right. Then the slideshow view. Slideshow view, this view completely fills the computer screen and is what the audience will see when they view the presentation. Slideshow view has an additional menu that appears when you hover over it, allowing you to navigate through the slides and access other features you can use during a presentation. Then the next one is the note page view. Note page view. Note page view is available on the view tab. If you add notes while working in normal view, you can see them in the notes page view. It displays an image of the selected slides, although with the notes related to that slides. These notes are helpful while showing the presentation. Next is more new features. Save as PDF. You can now save as PDF. You can now share your presentation email for editing or fast print out at a decreased, decreased file size. Smart art make easy and useful diagrams. Categorize charts, flow chart with the many more selections that than the old version of PowerPoint. On the fly previewing change animation and features in real times. Tab functions home, formatting, editing and layout. What is the use of home, formatting, editing and layout? Next one is the insert. In the insert tab, shapes, more slides, tables, text, media clips in present in a insert tab. Next one, design. Design themes, backgrounds, colors, arrange objects. Animation, movement to slides are objects. When you move your slides, then select the animation tab. Tab functions continue. Number one is a slideshow, resolution, preview and customs. Review, spell check, translate text. View, to show different view of your slides. Add in, show slides and record timing. Next one is adding and deleting slides. Adding and deleting slides, you can add a new slide by clicking on the new slides icon or by clicking enter below the slides you just finished. To the right of the new slides icon you can delete your slides. Turn off advanced slide on mouse click. This is function the apply to all, and here on mouse click. This will allow you to prevent advancing the slides when you click the mouse button. Second, on mouse click, make sure you click on the tab that reads apply to all. Okay, thank you class.